This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi scanner. A Wi-Fi scanner is a powerful tool designed to detect and analyze wireless networks around you. It provides crucial insights into signal strength, channel usage, and security protocols. By understanding these details, you can significantly optimize your own network's performance and efficiently troubleshoot any connectivity issues you might encounter, ensuring a smoother online experience for everyone. Choosing the right Wi-Fi scanner depends on your specific needs. Software-based options are readily available for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices, offering convenience. For more precise measurements and advanced features, dedicated hardware scanners with specialized antennas are an excellent choice. Consider your budget, portability requirements, and the level of detailed analysis you need to make the best selection for your situation. To perform a basic scan, simply launch your chosen scanner application and initiate the discovery process for nearby networks. Pay close attention to key metrics such as the network's name, its signal strength, often measured in decibels relative to 1 milliwatt or dBm, and the channel number it occupies. Identifying crowded channels and areas with weak signals is crucial for improving your network's overall efficiency and reliability. Once you have your scan data, delve into advanced analysis. Look for channel interference to select less congested channels for your router, which can dramatically improve speeds. Monitor the signal-to-noise ratio, or SNR, to assess the true quality of your network connection and pinpoint potential problems. Use these insights to strategically reposition your router or add range extenders, ensuring optimal Wi-Fi coverage throughout your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.